In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the favorite things that we can do on a bandsaw, resawing. This will apply to these lower end models or even high end models, just to go and keep that extra straight line that we're always looking for during a resaw. So that way you don't have to do as much planing and fixing of the wood after you're done. So definitely stick around for that. In the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon for all of our newest videos. Let's get to the tips and tricks.
Alright, so when you're starting this operation, the main thing you want to do is make sure that you've got a good shot right down the middle of the board as much as possible. Obviously on the table saw we're not going to get perfect accuracy on this, but we want to try to get it as close to the center as possible, or to whatever sizing you're trying to trim off the side and resaw to. Each time that you make a pass, make sure you flip the board over in the same direction and then go on the other side and keep doing that until you get all the way through. And then raise up the blade as you continue to make additional passes until you get to the thinness you're looking for in the center. This will make it super easy to run through the bandsaw, and you'll be able to just kind of cruise through a cut that would otherwise be super hard. We're going to go ahead and show that here in this next part. One of the things you can do is actually score the end with the table saw in order to be able to get a little bit better blade start on the bandsaw. In this case here, we didn't do that because it is kind of a pain in the neck to do it, and it doesn't generally feel very safe on the table saw. But as you'll be able to see here, we're going to just kind of cruise right through this board once we get that initial start going. We're really watching where the blade is and everything, because the blade still can wander. It just has a less likely chance of wandering once you do this kind of a cut. We'll show you how that turns out here in just a second. And this is what your final product will look like.
All right, I hope you enjoyed our video here on how to go and accurately resaw on a bandsaw. As you can tell, that could be used for a high-end version or a lower-end version like the Wen, which is still a really good version of a bandsaw, but obviously a lot more cheaper and a lot more people's price range. That all being said, if you guys like these little tips and tricks videos and think we should produce some more, definitely leave some comments down below and let us know how you feel about it. And obviously don't forget to throw us a like. I mean, come on, we work hard on these videos. Also don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon so that way you know when we come out with all of our newest videos. In the meantime, stay safe in the shop.